Righty, I've just whacked up a tray, a mould to make some fire bricks. These are going to replace the fire bricks that are in my fireplace. So I've made the mould up to the exact same size as what those bricks are. So what you need for this is trade set or just plaster of Paris. Trade set is just as good. It's up to 1200 degrees centigrade it can handle. That is play sand. You can use any sand. I just grabbed that because it was $10 for a bag at the same store. That is steel wool as a binder. You can use Scotch-Brite stainless steel, be a lot stronger than steel wool, but yeah, some water. And I'm just going to chuck in a bit of this vermiculite and perlite blend, and that can handle the same temperature as well. And that's just another binder as well. So that's pretty much what it is. It's volcanic rock, sort of like pumice. And a mixing bowl. So we'll get into it, and we'll see how they work in the fireplace. So the mix is about 60-40, 60% gypstop or plaster of Paris. %40 sand. Bit of steel wool. I've just gone and stripped it apart like this. I suppose the amount you put in is up to you. Alright, just about finished. Damn, I thought I was going to get away with that in one mix, but so the whole lot, all up cost wise, just the trade set was the most expensive, $45. The sand about $10 to $15. Steel wool, just had some of that in the shed, and that the verticulamite and perlite was just from gardening. So, and the scrap wood to make the mould. So 60, 70, say maybe $80. And these fabrics are actually worth, if you buy them, proper ones, about $25 to $30 each. So to do my fireplace, $300 odd compared to $70, $80. So that's a good savings. That's as long as these last as long. But you know, you can make 2 or 3 rounds out of this for that same price. So. Alright, that's it. Yeah, well, this has been drying in the shed for about a week. So I've just taken all the screws out the back. So these here, I just hot glue gunned those, and these were all screwed just to make it easy to get it off. Don't want to break them. I probably will dry these for another 2 weeks. Jeez. There we go. We'll just give that a clean up there. They're pretty damp still. So there's the steel wool. What I should have really done with this steel wool is put it through the middle of the brick, because the test one I've had in the fireplace for about 3 weeks, it has got a crack through there. And as you've seen, when I mixed up that steel wool, it probably all just went into a big ball. Half of this probably hasn't got any steel wool in it. But I reckon if you half filled it, then laid it all down, then covered it with more cement, jib stop and all that, and sand, it would have worked out a lot better. But I'm still happy with the result, and they're still going to be good for firing or heating up metal. So I'll show you the cracked one and the installation. There we have it, 16 fire bricks. They should last a while. Even if they're no good in the fire, it's worth having a crack at it, and they're probably good for forging as well. Forging, you know, whatever you want. So yeah, install and see how long they go for. And that's it. Ready to go in the fire. So that's what I'm going to replace. All these broken bricks. All the back ones are buggered. So we'll see if this works. So we'll take all this out. Right, I've just pulled all the old fire bricks out. Totally stuffed. So I reckon the worst ones were the ones at the back. So I reckon it's because, you know, when you throw firewood and it just smashes against the bricks when they're hot. So it's not going to, any brick's not going to hold up to that. So that's something to think about when you're putting the wood in the fire. Just put it in gently. And here's all the replacements, DIY job. Come up all right. I had to actually grind up through here just a little bit so it could fit because they're a little bit thicker. But that should do the job. And there's 4 up top on the roof. We'll see how well they go. Put the wood in nice and gently so we don't smash them. They should hold out. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe.